Monday at 8 a.m., everyone over the age of 5 in Dane County is required to wear a mask or face covering inside any enclosed building.
This comes after an announcement last week where Public Health Director Janelle Heinrich said the department did not want to issue a mandatory order because of racial discrimination concerns. Our Jamie Perez tells us more on what the new order means. Jamie?
Heinrich said she's already heard of several cases of people of color experiencing some discrimination for wearing a mask out in public, and that going forward, this will not be tolerated. Excuse me. So she said that if you see anybody in public who is not wearing a mask, that you should just assume that they genuinely are not able to wear one. Now, that order that came out today says that people must wear a face covering that covers their nose and mouth while in public, which includes inside a business, healthcare setting, waiting in line, on a public transportation, and while you're in someone else's house. Exceptions to this are when you're eating at a restaurant, but you still have to be able to maintain 6 feet of distance from anyone who you do not live with. Another exemption from this new order is that if you have a physical, mental, or developmental condition that prevents you from wearing a mask. Dane County Executive Joe Parisi said he understands there is no perfect solution to enforcement, but is just hoping that most people will abide by the rules.
We're hoping that enforcement won't be super necessary. You know, we look at things like, most of our laws people follow because it's the right thing to do. We have stop signs. We can't be at every single stop sign every minute of the day. But people, in general, stop at those signs because they want to protect themselves and they want to not put themselves in danger.
Now, even though this order applies to everyone over the age of 5, they still encourage all children to wear masks in public if possible and to ask for reasonable accommodations like curbside pickup if wearing a mask is not an option for you. And county officials also said they are working with community leaders to be able to provide cloth masks to distribute in the thousands throughout the next few days so that people who cannot afford them have access to them.
Jamie Perez, live downtown. Jamie, thank you.